we will learn about seasons of the year. There are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. When spring begins, rainfall starts from the sky and rainbow appears after rain. Flowers bloom and it is green and fresh grass everywhere. Birds fly and insects have fun with new flowers. Summer begins after spring. The sun shines brightly and it feels too hot to do anything. People go to beach to swim and relax. People eat watermelon, enjoy cold drinks, and eat yummy ice cream. Autumn begins after summer. Trees shed their leaves in this season and cover the earth in orange brilliance. The air feels cool. Apple and pumpkins grow in this season. Winter is the last season of the year. Snowfall happens in this season. It's all cold and freezing everywhere. People wear woolen clothes, caps, and gloves to keep their body warm. Children play in snow and make snowmen. They get to drink hot chocolate to avoid cold.